Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I'm at Kenny U-Pull, and what I'm going to show you is something that is kind of scary rusty. This is a 1996? No, not 96. It says it's a 97, but that's not a 97. This is an 80s or an early 90s one. It's a Blazer though, and as you can see, it's been in a major front end collision. It's got the skinny body modification done to it with the rust bubble modification and the buckled hood modification and the lots of rust modification. It's just weight reduction. It's lighter than carbon fiber. This is how you get a fast vehicle. No, but all seriousness, I think this had a 4.3 liter. I don't even know. Can't even get the see under the hood that much. I don't know. This fender here was replaced, but unfortunately it did rust out again. That door doesn't open. That window's permanently open for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, scabs all down the side. Really crusty frame on this one. I think that frame's just about ready to break. That is not good. Semi-solid metal on the doors, but nothing you can save it with. Yeah, that's all rust. Look at that, guys. That is so rotten. One of the worst vehicles I've ever seen in here, probably. And it gets better on the other side, or worse rather. I can't get through there. There's a key in the back door. There's a bunch of wire in the back, and the gas shocks are destroyed back here, so I'm not going to be able to hold it open. But the back door is actually probably one of the only relatively savable panels on this whole vehicle. This door obviously isn't. This fender is not. That fender might be, but probably not. That fender's not. This door may be savable, but look at this. That is ridiculous. How is this still on the road? There is literally no rocker left on the thing, all the way up to here. That is insane. The interior is sort of trashed. It's actually not in awful shape. Oh, this had the digital dash in it too. This is a more loaded one. Four-wheel drive, of course, with your indicator right down there. And being a two-door, it is a pain to get in the back, but yeah, this thing had a lot of spiders in it, looks like. Oh yeah, that frame's bad. The whole body is buckled, I think. I do like these wheels though. Nice, simple, old-style wheels. Frame up front don't look too good, and those shocks, oh my gosh. This thing should have been off the road a long time ago. I'm hoping it was. GM Canada, official sponsor, XV, Olympic Winter Games, Calgary 1988. So this is at least an 88. So that means it could be 92 actually, because this thing does have new body panels. It does look like they were in an accident and replaced this whole corner and then got into another. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button as well as subscribe for more. Have a great day, everyone.